Here's how to troubleshoot your iPhone when your messages aren't going through. First, tap Try Again. If that doesn't work, try these 3 fixes. Check your network connection. If you don't have good cell service or strong Wi-Fi, you won't be able to send messages, even if your phone is working fine. Make sure you're not in airplane mode. Swipe up from the bottom or down from the top of your iPhone, and make sure the airplane icon on the upper left corner is not enabled. Then check your iPhone's Messages settings. In the Settings app, find and click Messages. Then make sure the switches next to iMessage and Send as SMS are toggled on to green. You should also make sure you're texting the right number. Restart your phone by holding down the power button and try sending your message again. Lastly, try resetting your network settings. Navigate through the Settings app to the General tab, then click Reset, followed by Reset Network Settings.